Hi guys, Anson here again. So today we're going to teach you guys how do you use stop loss and stop profit. Why do you want to use stop loss or stop profit? It's very simple. Because let's say you want to go to sleep, but you think that now is maybe it's a good price point to enter. Maybe you want to enter along, think that the market will go up, but you need to secure yourself by using a safety pin we call stop loss. Maybe you want to put a stop loss $100 gap below. So how you're going to do is you need to use a stop loss function. So how you're going to set? So let's say I use my BitMEX to do the demonstrations, okay? So let's say now I'm opening a position here. You can see I'm putting a long contract here, okay? Long contract 1. Okay, so let's say I think that the price is going down 8600 will be a trend change. So I don't want to risk myself, I need to enter a safety pin, which is a stop loss. So when you come to a stop loss, you click it, stop market, okay? Stop loss is equal to stop market. So let's say I want to stop it on the price 8600, okay? So you enter the equal amount of your opening contracts, okay? Let's say you're opening 100 contracts, so you need to enter the 100 in order to close all the position with cut loss. But now I'm opening 1, so I click 1. So after you set your price here, you need to place 8600 because this is your desired price for you to cut loss, okay? So I need to click red button. Why? Because now I'm opening a long contract. So you need to click the opposite button, which is the red button, in order to cut loss. So in the opposite way, if you're opening a short contract, you need to click the green button. You need to click it opposite way. Because you need to click the opposite way, only the contract will be contra and be closed. Okay, so this is a very important thing to remember to take note. Okay, so I click it here and red. Then you can see here there's a line here. You can see stop market. Okay, stop market. Okay. So what does this mean? Mean that when the price drop back down 8600, my position will be cut loss. I will be in loss. The position will be automatically closed. After that, okay, I think that if the price go up to 8720, I will think it's a good price for me to exit, to take profit. So I click in 8720. Make sure you click it, take profit market. Okay. So again, you're using a long contract. Make sure you need to close it with the red button. Okay. So I click it here, sell. So you can see another line is being up there. Okay, so when the price shoot up to 8720, my position will be automatically closed in profit. Okay, so this is the stop profit and stop loss. Because you have pre-planned your trade, so you don't need to worry about it. You can go to bed and sleep without worries because all things is set up already. Okay, all you need to do is just wait for the price, either hit here or here. Okay, so this is how you can set your stop loss and stop profit. So hope this video is helpful. We'll see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.